want to show you how to play the main theme for the Game of Thrones. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have it there for you. There's no any real introduction to this, so we'll start right off. What I do is I kind of get into a chord there. So it's a C, G, C, G, and then we go into. So let me give you the right hand. G, C, E flat, F. You do that 4 times, then you go to G, C, E, F. You just change the E flat to an E. So you do that 4 times. 4 times, 4 times, then we go to G, C, E flat, F, G, C, E flat, F, to the D, G, D, G, B flat, C, and you do this 3 times. And then just hit D, G, B flat, then F, B flat, E flat, D, F, B flat, E flat, D, C, F, A flat, B flat, C, F, A flat, B flat, C. So we start off with a C minor chord. Goes to a C major chord, then back to the minor chord. Then it goes to a G minor, and then we go to a B flat, to an F minor, back to this. So it kind of moves between chords, and it's all arpeggiated. So if we put that together slowly, we've got. Let's do the opening chord. And then let's just go slowly. So the first 2 times, you just hit that once every 2 times. You hit the C, G once every 2 times. Same thing here, once every 2 times. And then we go to hit it again on the E flat. And then move to a G, D right here. And then so you go to D, G, B flat, C. That with D, G, B flat, and then you go up to an F in the right hand, B flat and F in the left hand. Hit it again. Go to an F and a C right here. C, F, A flat, B flat, C. And you just hit that once every 2. The changing of the opening scene, they just put a pulsing bass on there. And you're doing some of the same melodic material in the right hand, but you've got that pulsing bass, C and G. Then you go to a G and a D, open 5th, B flat, F, and then back to the open 5th on the C and the G. And in the right hand we're going to have G, C, E flat, F, G, C, E flat, F, D, G, F. So that D, G, B flat, C, D, G, B flat, C, D, G, B flat, C, D, G, B flat, then we go to F, B flat, E flat, D, F, B flat, E flat, D, C, G, C, G, A flat, B flat, C, and you do that 3 times, and then end with G, C, G. Now I'll play that slowly so you can see it synchronized. there too. So a couple of them you go right on through it. The first two you go. You go right on through that one, but the next one you hold it. And go right on through this. So you go right on through this one. Into the second opening theme there, the variation. Now this one we've got. You end with that G, C, open fourth. G, C, G, C. So it's G, C, B flat, F, G, C, B flat, F, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, E flat, D, then C, G, A flat, B flat. Now on the left hand you're going to go arpeggiate the C minor chord, C, E flat, G, and then hit the chord. Then you're going to go G, B flat, D. You're going to hit the G and then hit the B flat and the D together. So you got the G minor chord, G, B flat, and D. Do it again. G, B flat, and D. Do the same thing for the B flat. You have the B flat and the D and the F. B flat, D and the F, and then C. So you're going to end up with a open fourth up here and an open fifth down there. G, C, and C, G, and G, C. Real open sounding right there. Now, if we put that together, that section right there, we've got. Have to be ready to go all the way up to this C and all the way up to that A flat. Now here we have a second strain that's different. C, E flat, A flat, B flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, B flat, E. You're going to go from an A flat chord, that's your A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat, to an E flat chord, to an F chord, to a C minor chord. Then we'll go back up to the A flat chord, then to a G chord, to a C chord. So you're going to move me around a little bit. Now this changes. It goes C, A, E flat, B flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, B flat, E flat, G, A flat, B flat, E flat, G, A flat, C, F, G, A flat, C, G, A flat, G, C, E flat, F, G, C, E flat, F, E flat, A flat, C, D, E flat, A flat, C, D, E flat, A flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, F, G, C, do, 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 do. Then we're back to where we started. And then it walks back up to that C. So and then it just comes down slow the same way. So I'm going to go slowly so you can see it. Now this is tricky because you got to walk you go to an E flat here, but you've got to come from the C up to the A flat. So you've come from. Walk it back up, you're going to hit an E flat, B flat right there. E flat chord, leading into the A flat. Back to the E flat, to the F minor, C minor. Then we go up to the A flat. We do that again just like we did earlier. We go from the C up to the A flat. This time, instead of going up to the F, we go down to the D right there. We just parallel down. We just parallel. And then we go right to the C. And we end up with this C, G, open fourth sound there. And then you got to go up an octave. And go up an octave and hit the left hand and hold it. So the last thing we go. And play that 3 times. Then you can either just play the C by itself. End it like that, or you can add the fourth in there. You've got it. You've got the left hand and you hold it. When you get up to when you get that last strain up to tempo, it gets a little bit tricky because your left hand's moving around. Your left hand, but your right hand is doing a lot of stuff there too. So you can see that even though I was doing hands separately, that I was hesitant a couple little places. So that one is just going to take practice, and I would suggest you practice hands separately and then just go slowly when you introduce it to hands together. Together, you can see you've got a lot going on. The Game of Thrones main theme. I hope you enjoy playing it.